What if I told you that a single tablespoon of something very simple could quietly support your young plants and help them grow stronger from the very beginning? When tomato, cucumber, and pepper plants are still small seedlings, their roots are delicate and the soil environment matters a lot. A gentle baking soda solution can help balance the soil surface and discourage common fungal problems that slow early growth. Start by taking 1 tablespoon of baking soda and add it to 1 liter of water. Stir it well until the powder fully dissolves. Baking soda helps create a cleaner soil environment around young plants, which can reduce harmful fungal activity and support healthier root development. Now take this mixture and slowly pour a small amount around the base of your seedlings. Do not pour directly on the leaves. Apply it lightly so the soil absorbs the solution near the roots. Use this method once every 2 to 3 weeks while the plants are still young. As the roots grow stronger, tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers will be better able to absorb nutrients from the soil, leading to healthier growth and stronger plants. Always apply this in the early morning or evening, so the plants can absorb it comfortably without stress from strong sunlight. Try this simple 1 tablespoon method in your garden, and watch how your seedlings grow stronger and healthier day by day. Happy gardening!